Hey students, putting together a quick video to show you how to do the Getting Started lab with Science Interactive. You should have a link that's going to bring you to this hands-on lab platform. This is your dashboard. Now with your dashboard, you have some prerequisites that you have to do first, and then you have lessons that you have to do. In order to get to the lessons, you have to do the prerequisites, and you have to convince this program that you have ordered a lab kit or that you've received a lab kit. And so this Getting Started lab tells you how to do all of that. So when you go to any of these labs, you're going to find that there are 3 sections. The first one is exploration. Now, this exploration section has several different drop downs to it. You're going to want to go through each one of these in order. And then you go to the experimentation section, each one of those in order. And then you go to the evaluation section, each one of those in order. Okay, so at the bottom of each one of these, you tend to find a little test your knowledge place where some of them are drag and drop. Some of them have you typing in, but you'll go through these each time you fill something out, the program is saving it and it's available to your instructor. You don't actually have to submit anything. Everything is available to your instructor as you go, right? So it does at the end give you an opportunity to download a PDF also, but everything is kind of saving as you go. One thing I do want to point out under this experimentation section, when we get to labs later, this is where you're going to find your information about the actual lab. And when you're recording data, this first lab is just there to help you practice recording data. So it tells you to click on the data box. That is right here. When you click on this, it opens up a panel. And within this panel are 4 different little tabs. These tabs are referred to in the instructions up here. It tells you what to put under each tab. So like under data table 1, it wants you to put your city and your state. Under data table 2, it wants you to type in the symbol for water correctly. So it's just getting you to practice using subscripts and typing into this program. Okay, and so that's the data section. And then once again, it's saving and sending as it goes. And then lastly, over here under this evaluation section, this at the end is going to generate a final report. It's going to show you all the answers that you've put in so far, and it gives you an opportunity to download a PDF right there. But once again, it has saved as you've gone. So this is the Getting Started lab, and you should be able to just kind of follow along, but make sure you go in order, left to right, top to bottom, through these little tabs.